the quantity 2 log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x multiplied by log base 2 of 3 minus log base 2 of x equals 3x minus 7x equals what? Let's find the value of x. To do this, we'll use the power log formula. First, move the coefficient into the log. Now, let's apply this formula to our exercise. Next, we'll use the addition formula. It gets the log of their product. We'll apply this formula in the exercise. Now, we'll use the multiplication formula to switch between numbers. We'll apply this formula in the exercise. Remember, the log of a number in its own base is always 1. We'll use this rule in our exercise. Next, use the subtraction formula for the log of their quotient. We'll apply this formula in the exercise. Let's calculate the log and then substitute the values. Isolate x and solve to find our solution. And that's how we solve the problem.